Sunlight streams through the high, arched windows, illuminating dust motes dancing in the tense air. In the defendant's box, a young woman with hair the color of spun gold sits, her hands twisted in her lap. This is Goldilocks, and her face is a mask of wide-eyed apprehension. She nervously smooths the fabric of her simple blue dress, her gaze darting from the stern judge to the jury of woodland creatures, their faces a mixture of curiosity and judgment. The air is thick with anticipation, the low murmur of the crowd ceasing as the proceedings begin, every eye fixed on the girl at the center of this unprecedented trial. The prosecutor, a sharp-featured fox in a starched collar, rises to his feet with a dramatic flourish. He paces before the witness stand, his voice ringing with indignation as he lays out the charges. "Ladies and gentlemen of the jury," he begins, his paw gesturing towards the aggrieved family seated nearby. This defendant, this brazen intruder, did willfully and without provocation break into the private, peaceful residence of the esteemed Bear family. He turns to face Goldilocks directly, his finger pointing like a dagger. She consumed their food, she damaged their property, and she trespassed upon their very beds. On the witness stand, Papa Bear, Mama Bear, and a tearful baby bear nod in solemn agreement. Papa Bear's arms are crossed, a low growl rumbling in his chest, while Mama Bear dabs at her eyes with a handkerchief, her expression one of profound hurt. Baby Bear just sniffs, pointing a small furry paw at his broken chair, presented as evidence. Finally, the time for judgment arrives. The judge, a wise old owl with spectacles perched on his beak, clears his throat, the sound echoing through the silent chamber. He surveys the court, his gaze lingering on Goldilocks' pale, anxious face. With a deliberate, momentous motion, he lifts a heavy wooden gavel. On the charges of breaking and entering, property damage, and porridge pilfering, the owl's voice booms. This court finds the defendant. He pauses, the silence stretching into an eternity. A sharp, definitive crack resounds as the gavel strikes the block. "Guilty!" the word hangs in the air. A collective gasp ripples through the crowd.